Alright you guys, today I filmed for you the brow tutorial to this makeup. I also did another tutorial where I did the foundation, but this is for the brows video. A lot of people wanted to see how I did my brows, which I was shocked because girl, my brows be alright. I mean, I like them. A lot of people don't like them, so I was shocked. But anyway, I filmed it for you. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did this brow off camera. This is my hardest brow to do, so like I figured if I had already got that one done, then that would save us a lot of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in and show you guys how I do my brows. Bear with me. I probably don't have any brows on camera, but I don't have a lot of brows, but I got them freshly waxed just so I can do this for y'all. So what I do is I take this, and this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. It is in Walmart for, I don't know, I think it's about $8. And I just use like really faint strokes to outline my brow. And I just follow the natural shape of the brow. Like you see, like I'm not arching it before it arches. I'm just following my natural shape. See, I got like that done. And I'm just gonna go above and do the same thing. I'm gonna do it even lighter above. And I'm not making them too wide or like too narrow. I'm just literally following how my natural brow is. I just want to fill it in more. And you see how that tail is? It's a little funky. So I'm just gonna thicken it up a little bit. Alright, now that I got the outline of my brow, I hope I got you guys in enough. I'm gonna zoom y'all in right there. Alright, so now that I got the outline of my brow did, I'm gonna take Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm gonna take it in the color medium brown, and I'm gonna use the brush that comes with this. It's the number 12 brush, and I'm just putting it in the pot, and then I'm gonna tap off the excess like in the top. And I just fill in the inside of my brows that way. And what I do is I use more where I need more. Like I don't use the same amount all the way through. Like I have less hair like towards the end of my brow, so I use a lot more product there. And then so when I get to like the part of my brow where I don't need as much product, I lay the brush towards my face. And I kind of just do like faint strokes going up, like all the way until I get like the front of my brow to have like more definition. Then I just take the spoolie in and I just flick through my brows. It's really easy, like it's nothing to it. And when I conceal them, they're gonna look even better. The concealing part is really the hard part for me. This part is really easy. And I'm just going to fill it in a little bit more. Like I say, in the areas that you know for a fact you need more product, put more product. But don't make the mistake of putting the same amount of product all the way through, because that's just crazy. Okay, and so to carve out my brows, I'm going to go ahead and close this dip brow because I don't have time for it drying out. To carve out my brows, I always use the same thing. This is the Becca Butterscotch Ultimate. It's in the color Butterscotch, but it's the Ultimate Coverage Concealing Cream. And I use just this little flat e.l.f. brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of butterscotch, about this much if you can see. And I'm just going to wipe off the excess on the back of my hand. Pretty much wipe off all of it on the back of my hand. Then I'm just going to pick up a little bit at a time. And I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning the bottom of my brows. And to do this, I just go in like a little back and forth motion. And you don't want to have too much excess product on your brush, because then it can get too thick. And you want to kind of like blend it out as you go, because you don't want it to be too thick. And I know, well, I'm gonna let y'all judge, because I'm sure y'all gonna judge. And I just, like I said, I just follow the natural shape of my brow. Like I don't try to conceal them too thin. I like my brows to be very clean. I know some people like that feathered brow, which is cool if that's what you like. That's not my thing. I like very clean eyebrows, so I clean them up a whole lot. so after I get that on the bottom, I take the MAC, and the top is somewhere up here, like I broke the top off. But anyway, this is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW40. I kick a little bit of it out with my fingernail because, I don't know, I just do it like that. And I use this on the same brush, but I just use this on the top of my brows. I don't conceal with the shade. This color concealer is like probably the same exact color as my skin tone, if not a little bit darker than my skin tone, because I don't want it to be noticed that I conceal the top of my brows. Like I don't want like floating brows where they're like super light up top and down bottom. I just want them to, okay. Girl, I messed it up. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that. That's all good. Alright, so I made this side, I made the top a little bit too, if you ask me. Well, not really, I didn't, but I'm still gonna go over it. I'm gonna take my pencil again because I made that a little bit too harsh. So I'm just gonna round out that arch again. You can always do that. You can always fix that little mistake. That's why I like using a pencil. I mean, you can use dip brow for all of it, but I just ain't good enough with dip brow yet to be using it for all of it. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Like I was saying, you just want to make sure that like around the same width. That'd be my big thing. I can't stand fat eyebrows. Like literally can't stand that. I mean, if you like them, that's on you. That's you or whatever, you know. That might be what look good for your face. I cannot stand fat eyebrows. I guess because I did them to myself so long that now it's just like I can't stand them. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking a fluffy brush. I use I have so many brushes like this that I like to use. So like any fluffy brush that you like to use is cool. This one is just from one of them little sets you get from Walmart. But use that and blend out your concealer. Another one that works really good, this brush. I like the way this brush buffs out concealer too. It like just really cleans and buffs it up. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm just gonna take this CoverGirl. It's the Professional Natural Lash. I mean, if you got any type of clear brow gel, whatever clear brow gel you use. I know a lot of people use the Anastasia Beverly Hills kind, whatever kind you want to use, that's cool. It's just the kind I got, and it's just clear brow gel, so I ain't finna spend an arm and a leg on it. I mean, like if I ever just get the Anastasia Beverly Hills kind, I'm gonna use it, of course, but I got this kind right now, so this is the kind I'm gonna use. Alright you guys, that's it for my brows. I didn't do my, this is the same makeup that I'm gonna do in my next video, so I just left it how it is. You're gonna hear this a lot. But anyway, so if you like the video, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay pretty, my friends. Stay pretty, stay pretty, stay pretty. Bye.